We are a medium-sized commercial printer in Ann Arbor. We are almost 40 years old, and we have a foundation that is based on quality and providing a service and relationship to our clients that promotes a long-term relationship. The digital work is definitely the area that is growing for us, and it's the area that we continue to focus on, and it's where we believe our opportunities are down the road.
When we're looking at new purchases, it's not only quality, but can we gain some efficiencies so I can get things off the machine quicker or out the door faster? Can we meet 1 day, 2 day turnaround times? So currently we have 2 Canon C10010s and 1 C910 with the placement of the full-blown production on it. If I can come out the end and into a box, that just helps me meet those newer, faster turn times. We had been looking at the C10010 for a while as a replacement. With the upgrades that we did with these current units, we added the cooling and sensing units to these, which are new functionality. I mean, the real reason that pushed us over the edge to spend the money to add those 2 units to 2 machines was time. Time savings, that's real money savings in the long run. I can produce more jobs in a day more efficiently. But the quality also is there because it's real time, looking at the color quality and adjusting on the fly. The upgrades that we did with these current units, one of them has an inline booklet maker. They both have stackers and pods. The new machines also can run heavier paper stocks. My customers have always wanted thicker paper, heavier paper, and we've always maxed out the previous machine. So we're actually now adding some of those heavier stocks as a floor option to offer to other customers.
It's part of the growth in digital for us is variable data. So mailing was kind of the natural stepping stone to move into more variable data work, and certainly the digital equipment allows us to do that.
We've been using Prisma for a number of years now. We're currently running PRISMAsync V8, Remote Manager, Match, and Prismalytics. We use PRISMAsync from a customer standpoint, is our G7 calibration. It allows us to be able to have G7 qualified products with a touch of a button for my operator. My operator hits calibrate, it runs the calibration, the inline spectral reads the sheets, it comes out and says, yes, you're calibrated for G7, or no, you're not. Green check, red X. Pretty straightforward for my operator. But from the customer, they have a product that is meeting an industry standard. The other pieces that indirectly benefit our customer are the efficiencies that PRISMAsync allows us as a printer and an operator. So loading up jobs ahead of time, scheduling, being able to see what's running on all 3 of our machines at the same time from one interface, being able to transfer files/jobs from one machine to another. With Remote Manage now, we can watch our machines from various locations in our shop, manage the workflow. Prisma acts like a second operator for us. It gives us the ability for unattended printing. So we have 1 operator running 3 machines. PRISMAsync is one of my favorite things about the Canon imagePRESS line.
Our relationship with Canon has been really good over the years. They've provided for us the level of service and feedback and input that we need to make the right decisions with our equipment.
We're not probably the average consumer from a commercial printer. Our quality standards are probably one of the highest in the area for my Canon's techs to meet. For us, if the color's off, the color's off and I'm not running. Canon's really stepped up and has met our expectation